Hello everyone. Let's see how to add two types of scrolling to your storyline projects using JavaScript. First up, scrolling the entire slide. This is great when you want users to pan around a big interface like a Figma board. Here's the effect. When the user holds Ctrl and scrolls, the slide zooms in or out, and scroll bars appear so they can explore a larger canvas. The second one auto-scrolls a text panel, which is perfect for showing that this area is scrollable for the user. In this case, you should add a built-in scrolling panel from Storyline, and only then the JavaScript. Both JSs are waiting in the comments for you to use. Good luck and enjoy!